say I'm glad to meet the entire wholesale market. I see the represents of the producer, the main supplier, and the transporter too. And I'm glad to exchange some things about the market and about the future of another fuel. Romgaz, by definition, have the role and the strategy to increase the reserve, to discover new fields, and to put on the market more quantities of gas to assure the needs of the demand for the entire country and outside over the border. Now we are in the point when we see and we look and we have identified a need in the power generation. And by our new investigation by Miernut power plant, and the next will be coming for Mintia and so on, we are interested to produce power using gas. And we have two reasons for this. One is the demand which exists, and second, gas is proper for the balancing of the systems to sustain the ancillary services of the system. And there is a market which is interesting for us and is a pillar which we want to approach to avoid the risk of the sales just one wares and to have second pillars in the business. The third is the storage. We continue to increase the capacity of the storage, and we are confident to accept, while the profile of demand in Romania and around the country is a need to have to increase the capacity of the storage. And in the last of our strategy, we look on the another products where we can to use methane, gas methane, for increase the value of the gas by transforming on a chain which give more value, and if it's possible here in Romania. And this is in our approach to have in the future a methanol plant and to transform gas into the methanol, which is a product which have demand, and to have line business in this sector. In the meantime, we construct and we finish the power plant from to Miernut, but we have under the study another section to approach in the market in line with power generation, not just power generation. We name these industrial services. This means power and steam and another products necessary to the great industrial consumer. And we want to build in Romania together in the partnership with another partner, and to have a concept to help them to have the energy necessary to producing steel, aluminium, polyol, or another products which is needed in the market, and most of them we imported now. Regarding the hydrogen, we look very, very interested on this section of the market, which exists now not, but in the future will be, to produce hydrogen, because methane gas is the basis to produce blue hydrogen, and if you have power, you can to produce green hydrogen by electrolysis of water or from gas, blue hydrogen, by pyrolysis of the gas methane. It's interesting the secondary products of the pyrolysis, as example, black carbon, which is the material for the graphite, electrode graphite, or is a basis for the his name's the caoutchouc, the rubber, or the rubber. One of the things which we have in attention is to go on with the methanol and to transform in olefin. This is a process which have at the end product polyethylene and polypropylene, which is needed overall in the country, have the demand, significant demand, and is proper to prepare huge quantities of gas and to transform from methanol to olefins and so on. And in the last, we are interested to promote the comprimed gas for the vehicles. As the mobility in Romania will increase and the environment condition are in place now to decarbonize the economy, we can offer to the citizens to use comprimed gas for the vehicles, and in the next future to have a customized solution to the end user where the pipelines is very hard to be constructed or they have not access to the pipelines. And the whole concept, this is our opinion about the future of the gas and the possibilities to produce hydrogen in the next near future. Thank you for the invitation, and I still for asking if it's necessary. Thank you.